This lesson is about words that describe the size of things. The words long, short, and tall help us talk about how big or small objects are. These words describe length or height, which is how far something goes or how high it is. The word long tells us that something has a great length. It means it stretches far from one end to the other. We use long for objects or things that cover a big distance from side to side. For example, a long road or a long river. Short means that something has little length or does not stretch very far. It is used for things that are smaller in length compared to others. For example, a short pen or a short story means it does not take much space or time. Tall is the word we use to describe something that is high from bottom to top. It is often used for people, buildings, or trees. For example, a tall person or a tall skyscraper means they have a great height. Here are some examples of long. A long snake in the jungle can stretch out very far. A long train with many cars is very big because it moves on many wheels. A river that is long and winding covers a big distance and curves along the way. Here are some examples of short. A short pencil on the desk is not very long and easy to hold. A short break between classes means the rest time is small. A short path through the garden is quicker to walk on. Here are some examples of tall. A tall tree in the forest grows high above the ground. A tall building in the city reaches up to the sky. A tall basketball player is usually very good at reaching high points during the game. The words long, short, and tall describe sizes in length or height. Use long when something covers a great distance, short for things with a small length, and tall for height measured from bottom to top. These words help us talk about size clearly and easily.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.